Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to recover your losses. I've showed this to you in the previous video of mine on how to recover your losses. So again I will be showing to you the same techniques and also some different ones. So let's get started. Let's say you have $100 in your account and you buy sorry you buy stocks. You saw a stock worth $10 and you buy that equal to 10 stocks, and you buy this by assuming that it will go up in the near future, and instead of going up it came down and you closed your position at $5. So in this case you lose $50. So with this and you have a remaining of $50. So how to recover your losses in this case, that you have lost the $50? Well, you will have to buy in such stocks that you assume that they are going to go up in the future, although it may take time. But those stocks which are going to go up in the future, invest in those one. Those should be strong stocks. I mean hot cakes which are traded often, not the ones that are traded after a while, 10 days, 5 days, 20 days, a month. Buy in those stocks which you see that these are traded most frequently in a high volume. Those are profitable stocks. Those will give you a great return. Sometimes the weak stocks which do not show results over time also can also give you extraordinary results sometimes. That does not happen most often. It gives sometime results, profits sometimes. So one is that method of you can buy stocks with the remaining $50, and this time you're not gonna reach your account balance to $100. You're gonna have to reach to $150. To reach to $150, like why $150? $150 is the double of your loss. How much you lose, that and double that loss. Why this? Because it takes time for you to recover your losses, and it place you in the position of the $100 which you've earlier deposited in your account. So it puts you in this position without profit. Like you've blown up your account. In case you have blown up your account, so you'll have to deposit double of your account, or if you want to recover you'll have to um, double that loss recover. And so this was the method. Another thing is, if you want to buy a stock, look for its lowest low, like when it reached to its lowest low, which is at its no sorry not at its lowest low, all-time low, which is at its all-time low. That will give you profit, but make sure it does not I want to assure you one thing, that it will not give you profit overnight. It will take time, but it will definitely give you profit if it's a strong stock, like if it's a stable stock and it give returns in the past days, and the company is sure to give you returns in the days ahead. So invest in those type of stocks. You're going to have to cherry pick them, search for them, dive into the ocean of stocks, and you'll have to pick each one of them, which are those stocks that will give me return and will recover my losses. Blowing up your account, like losing or blowing up of your account is a part of trading. So get used to it. You're going to lose money on your way. If you lose a small portion of money, that's okay, it's a part of business. But if you lose a lot of money, that's going to be your fault. You might be doing something wrong, that's why you are losing your money. Another thing is that if you I said all time high, never buy when the stock is at its peak. By looking at its graph, you will recognize what is its all time low and all time high. You'll definitely recognize it. So never buy a stock at its peak point, when it's at its higher level. Buy such that it is at its correction like this. I will also be showing this methods to you in the in the future videos of mine. So stay with me for this one. So those are the few tricks. I've also showed these to you in the future videos. So check that video as well. And hope hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.